I am super excited. We are going to meet Andy from Motos Cades and Coffee today. First, we got to fill up. It's going to be expensive. Can you see that? $4.89.9 for premium. So let's get pumped up to ride. Don't spill on the tank. This bike needs a wash anyway, right? All right, good enough. 4.514 gallons. We are near the Annapolis Inner Harbor. I'm not exactly sure which direction, but I think it's over that way. I'm pointing to my left. You see over there. This is great. I have not been to Annapolis in a long time. Andy and I made a last-minute plan to meet up. So if you're in the area, I'm sorry. We just kind of said, hey, let's do this tomorrow morning. And boop, it's tomorrow morning. Let's go find him. All right, I have been on this road before. I have been to this, well, what used to be a dealer once before. Now I gotta see if I can find the place. It's back here somewhere. And that right there is where it used to be. Wow, so weird to see this place closed. They just went, boop, gone. They announced it like 2 days before they were closing, and then they were closed. So hopefully Andy is here. Otherwise, we'll just wait for him. I think that's him behind us. Yeah. Hey, Andy! Primo parking. I guess there's nobody here to stop us. Look at this. Let's see if I can pull in without hitting him. Right. It's so close. The turning radius on this is like a school bus. Look at that. Didn't even clip a mirror, folks. Told you, I'm a trained professional. Boop, off. So we are here with Andy from Motos Cades and Coffee, my man.
How you doing?
Dude, it's like a dream of mine.
Well,
meet the man, the myth.
Whatever.
Oh, man. All right. We're gonna go gas up because he's low on fuel, but then we are going to cross the Annapolis Bay Bridge, or the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, whatever the hell they call it. I haven't crossed it since I rode my Vaquero there in 2019, and I am looking forward to this. This has been on my bucket list as a vlogger for like a year and a half. I haven't even been vlogging for a year and a half, but this is on my bucket list for sure. I want to cross this and show you. It's like a 200-foot fall from the road base to the water. So it's a pretty good view. Boy, that was a little closer than I'd like, wasn't it? Oh, gravel. I don't like gravel. He can ride gravel on his Pan America all he wants. I ain't messing with that stuff. The battle plan has been discussed. The battle plan has been approved. The Ministry of Crossing the Bay Bridge has been fully funded. Oh, let's go, baby.
Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights, our hearts beating like a drum tonight. Let me take you for a ride.
All right, folks, we're gonna cross the Bay Bridge. Woohoo! Hopefully I don't lose the 360 camera today. Look at that view! Holy crap, this is awesome! One of the first things Andy asked me off camera was, hey, how do you feel about crossing the Bay Bridge? I said, let's do it! Ha! Right there! What a beautiful day for it, too! The clouds are breaking up, the sun is shining, the boats are out. Look at all the boats in that regatta! Yes, that's a sailor word. We are a couple of goofballs out here. I love it. Ooh, that M3 sounds mean. Yeah! That was awesome!
I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day.
And we have successfully crossed the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. How epic was that, huh? Was that awesome? Oh my God, what a great view. This has been an awesome experience. Oh my God, I can't wait to do it again. And the 360 cam is still up there. Hell yeah! Winning! What kind of backwoods shit is this? Where the f is he taking us? I don't know. But I'm on an adventure with my new friend. Andy's really a hoot. He's a lot of fun to ride with. Oh man, this whole day is just putting a big smile on my face. If it's putting a smile on your face, boop the like button. That's all I'm gonna ask. Oh, I see water. I see water and a clubhouse. That sounds fancier than your old buddy John is used to. He did say this was a private beach. Where's he gonna park? Where's he gonna park? What, no handicap spot? It's way over there, dude. All right. Always back into a spot. It's the mafia way. It's also uphill. That's painful. I should have thought this one through. Oh.
Just put it in reverse.
It doesn't have reverse.
It should have reverse.
It should. Harley, put reverse on these damn things. I know, they put it on the Tri-Glide.
I know they do.
Oh man. Almost. Meanwhile, Andy's like, why the hell did I bring this guy with me? There we go. Oh, we made it here.
Going to the beach today, did you, John?
I did not know I was going to the beach, but I'm glad we came. I love going to the beach. Nothing better than water. Well, motorcycles, maybe Lego, but water's up there. On guard! Toro! Toro! Attack!
Done.
All right, Andy and I are leaving the beach. No Speedos were worn. Oh, that bike sounds so good. Ladies and gentlemen, I am nowhere near as fast as Andy from Motos Cades Coffee. That was fun. This guy's a goofball. I love it. He's a goofball in the nicest sense of the word. But we're going to leave this secret location. So we're going to cross the bridge again, aren't we? Nice. Well, this looks like a good spot to say goodbye.
All right, well, cool. Well, thanks much, man.
Thank you, Andy.
All right, good time to keep with you. Yeah.
Nice. I love it when a plan comes together. I'm going to leave a link to Andy's channel in the description below. Go check him out. Say hi. Tell him your old buddy John sent you. And if you want to see more like this, just let us know. We're only like 2 hours away from each other. But hey, what's 2 hours when you're on twos, right? Enjoy and check out some more road reality content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.